we're going to take a look at the details of the bag and also what fits in the bag. Hello, welcome back. I know I just recently shared an unboxing of the Hermès Halzan bag with you guys. Thank you guys so much for your kind messages and congratulating us on the expansion of our family. And I know some of my friends are guessing what the gender of the baby is. I love reading that. So far no one has guessed boy yet. So maybe if you do, don't be afraid to voice it down in the comment section below. Nonetheless, today I felt the need to film another in-depth video. It is a beloved style and I wanted to do a review in my first luxury fashion. So we're going to take a look at the details of the bag and also what fits in the bag. And because it's a very practical style and size, also I would say weight, so I definitely want to make sure that you guys can have a dynamic view of this bag even though you don't have it in front of you. We're going to take a deeper dive and take a look at the details more in depth, and also I will insert a few try-ons if you guys care to see. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, my name's Vivian. I would love if you join my first luxury, and without further talking, let's get started. So this is my Halzan now. Let's take a closer look to see what the bags are made of. Obviously there are two hanging loops here, which is served as not just a decoration, but when you lift it up, it becomes a little handle for the bag. But most of the time, I believe Halzan is made to be worn like this, top part folded over. There are some really nice hand stitchings here. As we know, Hermès is really known for hand stitches. So these are all hand stitched, really nice and beautiful. I would say if you are someone who pays attention to the stitching, it's a white color stitching contrasted with the gold leather, if you care. And if I were to lift it up, I do see there is a little strap here. The existence of the little strap here is when you decide to lock your bag. I believe this is how it's used. And there's really no any justification on the other strap but one hole. So you can, after doing that, you can just tuck it in. So boom, this gives you another look, which I think is brilliant. The strap here is to lock in the loop handle. So when you're wearing it as a crossbody, this won't come up and nothing would really come out, which is a good design feature. Also, I think it gives a really nice dynamic on the look of the bag as it adds more dimension. So that is the Halzan, and thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel and also give this video a thumbs up. Any questions, make sure you leave them below, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care, guys. Bye.